and all my dear friends, a very good afternoon to all of you. Firstly, I, Tawheed Hussain from Panorama Public School, I declared a speech on the occasion of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. From the capture of British Empire, many brave sons and daughters of India fought with the British empires and made extreme sacrifice to gain freedom for our mother India. They fought with Britishers. They had no weapons when they fought with Britishers. Indians put their back motherland from British Empire for their British Empire. Like many of the freedom fighters were Mahatma Gandhi, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Sarojini Naidu, Lakshmi Bai, and other of them. And they fought with their own ability or their movements like Swaraj movement, non-cooperation movement, Swadeshi movement, and Dandi March. Mahatma Gandhi played a role on our independence from the British empires, and others gave a hand with them. The Republic Day and Independence Day is one of the most important days of all Indians. In 1947, we got independence from Britishers, and in 1950, 26 Jan in 1950, our Republic Day celebrate, and a day were heard in all our nations. Freedom in our mind and faith in our heart, pride in our soul, and love for our nation in our blood. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thanks.
Sumaya Sagir Shah, please come on the stage. Give them a big round of applause for Sumaya Shah.
Respected chief guests and all the respected dignitaries present here, today I, Sumaya, standing in front of you to deliver a speech on the occasion of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Independence Day holds special significance in our heart. Not only August 15 marked the day for India, the day serves as a reminder of all the virtues, pride, colorful histories, cultural richness and diversity. It is the day when we host a flag on red forts and all the administrative and park-like street plays. Today we celebrate this day by blood talk of some freedom fighter were Mahatma Gandhi, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Maulana Abdul Azad, who gave the nation that is pride of our heart. Every state and union territory of our country celebrate this day with great happiness. The patriotic songs and movies are broadcasted in all the TV channels. It is a national day for all the Indians. This day teaches about the power of nationalism among the Indians. It also helped India to identify and display work on social media and express other advertisements. 15 August is also known as India Day. Freedom is never dear at any price. They may kill me, but they cannot kill my ideas. Long year ago, we made traced its destiny, and now the time when we recognize our pledge. At the stroke, midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to live and freedom. I love my country. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
इस माटी पर लहराएगा जिस दिन तेरे फतेह का परचम. इस माटी पर लहराएगा क्या ज़मीं क्या आसमां, ये हिंदुस्तान मिल जाएगा.
ये वतन मेरा है ये वतन. इस पर जो आंख उठाएगा जिंदा दफना दिया जाएगा. मुझे जान से भी प्यारा है ये वतन. मैं पल्लवी शर्मा आपके समक्ष कुछ शब्द लेकर उपस्थित हुई हूँ. इस साल भारत 75वां स्वतंत्रता दिवस मनाया है. हर साल 15 अगस्त को पूरे देश भर में स्वतंत्रता दिवस मनाया जाता है. साल 1947 में इसी दिन भारत ब्रिटिश शासन से आजाद हुआ था. देश को आजादी दिलाने में कई महापुरुषों ने बलिदान दिया. वही महात्मा गांधी ने देश की अंग्रेज से आजादी दिलाने में अहम भूमिका भी निभाई थी. पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने 15 अगस्त के दिन दिल्ली के लाल किले के लोहार गेट के ऊपर भारतीय राष्ट्रीय ध्वज फहराया. स्वतंत्रता दिवस के दिन हर प्रमुख स्थान में 15 अगस्त पर भाषण दिए जाते हैं. स्कूल, कॉलेज आदि में कई कार्यक्रमों का होता है। अनेकता में एकता ही हमारी शान है, इसलिए मेरा भारत महान है। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Respected chief guests and when all present here, good afternoon to all of you. Today myself Zaida Ashrif, I want to share my views with all of you. India is Independence Day is a festival of freedom for us. This was made possible by a generation of freedom fighters, some known and some unknown. They made great sacrifices. Today you and I breathe under free skies thanks to heroic deeds. I want respect to praise memory of those brave nations. Our nation, like many others, suffered great injustice, foreign rule, but disciplined India, however, is that character of our nationalist movement led by Mahatma Gandhi was based on the principle of truth and non-violence. Freedom in the mind, faith in the words, pride in our soul. Let us salute the nation on this day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
नज़ारे नजर से ये कहने लगे, न्यान से बड़ी कोई चीज़ नहीं, तभी मेरे दिल ने आवाज़ दी, वतन से बड़ी कोई चीज़ नहीं। नमस्कार, मैं मानसी सयाल आज यहाँ आपके सामने अपनी कुछ स्पीच रखना चाहूँगी। एडिशनल विनोद सर, माननीय एडिशनल एसपी विवेक सर, विनोद सर, जहीर अब्बास सर और मेरे प्यारे बहनों और भाइयों, जैसे कि हम सब जानते हैं कि हम अपने प्यारे भारत के 75वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस का जश्न मनाने के लिए यहाँ एकत्रित हुए हैं। इस दिन 1947 से भारत देश अंग्रेज की गुलामी से आज़ाद हुए। भारत देश को आज़ाद करने के लिए अनेक भारतीय वीरों ने और अपने बलिदान योग दे दिया। अतः हमारा कर्तव्य ये है कि हम हमेशा स्वतंत्रता की रक्षा करें, हमारे देश को हर क्षेत्र से बलिदान दें। हमारा यही होगा, देश को जिसका खून ना खोले, खून नहीं वो पानी है, जो देश के काम ना है वो बेकार जवानी है। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
And a warm welcome to you all. I am here to deliver a speech on India. India is one of the ancient civilizations in the world and it is also the 7th largest country in the world. India is one of the best countries in the world for many reasons. Acceptance of people of other religions, the closely bonded family culture, the biggest democracy national and the fastest growing economy. With 1.3 billion of population, India is the second largest country in the world. India God's favorite country is to be blessed with all the seasons: spring, summer, monsoon, autumn, pre-winter and winter. People around the world also recognize India for its Bollywood stardom. We all know some history of India. The number system and the number 0 are the gift by Aryabhatta from India to the world. One of the finest and first university of the world.